Let's go. How about that intro, huh? Good morning, everyone. Let's go for a hike. Are you guys having a good time? The adventures that we're going on? I'm having a great time. So there is a payoff at the end of this trail. Parkour! Well, we made it. Eh? We're at a cave. Don't ever say that I don't take you to fun places. There are engravings on the rocks. Naturally, people, when they see cool stuff, they tend to put their names on it. I will see you back at the van. Where I'm at, in the county that I'm at, I have this annual pass. I think it's $50 a year, and it does get me to a lot of these parks. What's nice about these things is that most of them have water. This one also has filtered water that you can go fill up before you go on a hike. This one also has individual clean restrooms, which is great. Trash cans, bunny rabbits. It has Wi-Fi, but it's not very fast. Obviously, a lot of hiking trails. You can really go for like 5 hours if you really want to. It also has picnic tables, all the cool stuff, you know. This is the second year I have this pass, and I have to say I'm pretty glad I get it. It has amenities. That was a great hike. I loved it. I'm gonna come here again. The one thing that this park doesn't have is a place where I can park my van and cook something. It's just a small parking lot. So we're gonna have to go to another park that my yearly pass works on, where it has more picnic tables where I can park the van and go from there, because not only do I need to cook something today, but I haven't had coffee. Safety first. Hey, how are you? Thank you.
Where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know. Where we gonna go?
I am happy to announce that I got 12,651 steps so far. Time for some coffee. It's a little late in the day, it's almost lunchtime, but as you guys may know, I don't like to drink coffee before I go on hikes. I get jittery and However, while on trail, halfway back, I couldn't stop thinking about coffee. Do I need one at this time of day? I don't know, but it's delicious and I'm gonna make one. Mighty damn delicious, I gotta tell you. That's right, it's so good that I went there and I said, damn. I've never done this before on the channel, but today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I got some more cooking equipment because I didn't have enough. Let's open it together. Is it upside down? Wire, okay, great. Crap. It's a mini Instapot. It's the 3-quart because this is the only thing that I can fit in here, and it's big enough for me to make a bunch of meals. Let's see how big it is inside. This looks like it's even bigger than my actual pot, so yeah, it'll work. And it has a veggie steamer, I'm guessing. All right, so why did I get an Instapot? I have plenty of things to cook in here, right? And you'd be right, I have way too many things that I should be having in the small van to cook. But the idea of going on a hike like I did today, I could leave this in there for 2 hours, let it do its own thing, come back and have a meal. I am not gonna cook with it today because I don't know how to use it yet. So I'm gonna read about it, but in the next video, I'm actually gonna talk about everything that I have in the kitchen. So if you're into that, stay tuned. I had to move because, well, you guessed it, the rangers found me again and they started making some noise so I can film. But I actually moved to a better backyard. I swear, it's like they're like, oh, what are you doing in there? Are you filming? Let me cut a little grass. I swear, it always happens to me. You guys know that. All right, let's get some food in there before they come back here. Tasting time. Ooh, baby. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know, tacos are a staple for me, and what I'll do, I'll make a batch that will probably last me another 2 days, maybe one. They're my favorite thing to make in the van, because after I make that batch, it's pretty easy. I'll microwave whatever I need, heat up some tortillas, and I'm ready to go. Man, that is good. If you made it this far in this video, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe. It's free because it really does help the channel. I will see you guys in the next one.